Hi everybody, this is Judy Parcell again. I have something new here today, a little project that was kind of fun. More than a project, it'd probably be an exercise. But there's some steps to it that you might find interesting. I don't know how many of you go into Google Images, but there is a plethora of ideas in there for artists. It's incredible. You just type in whatever subject you want and they've got it. I typed in goddesses and I got this one, and I really like the design of it. It is computer generated. I liked everything about it, and then some things I didn't like, so I changed it to my liking. Now, I'm not Hindi, so I don't get the significance of a tongue out or a ring in the nose or all of this stuff up in here. So I just simplified the whole thing. And I turned it into this. I added an extra little dot up here, put a gem in her forehead, and I went from there with it, simplified this area. Now what I printed it on was a piece of transparency, which you can buy in any supply store online, and it's just simply a piece of plastic. Has a little white tab on the top. It's kind of rough on the back. The rough part on the back is what you are printing on, so you have to put it in your computer a certain way so that it prints on the right side. But these are inexpensive and can really extend whatever projects you might want to work with. So anyway, I got her all printed out on the transparency. And I said, that's very lovely, but now what do I do with that? I took a background, and I do these all the time because they're fun to do, they're relaxing to do, but they pay off later for some of my artwork. And I put her on there, and I really liked that. But I was looking at it, and I was saying to myself, yeah, I could put this with the transparency overlay into an 8x10 frame and have a piece of art. Very simple. Or I could paint in her face and it would look more like this. So I took that file back in, and in Photoshop I painted her, and I was curious as to which one you liked better, this one or this one. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for coming into my studio, and you have a great day.